pick up this super white 2009 Toyota Tacoma, available today. Featuring automatic transmission, it has 18,318 miles. This could be the one you've been searching for. Contact us and get behind the wheel today.